This is a STK4122 IC. I am using this amplifier to make a 2:1 amplifier. Later you can see the next part. I will going to make one 2:1 amplifier. For this case, I am using this amplifier for surround left and right. For surround speaker, I am using this STK amplifier. Now I am using this heatsink with the IC. Always must use the thermal paste and a good heatsink every time. Always use a good heatsink for the IC or transistor. It's very important things. Now it's stuck ready. Oh sorry. Okay. This STK can make 25 0.25 watt. Personal can make 25 watt. This IC personal can make 25 watt. Now it's the screw. I'm going to use this IC 25025 voltage 2 ampere. Okay. Now need to check this IC. I need to some tight. Need some tight. If you want the circuit diagram, you can visit the comment link. There are the circuit diagram. In this circuit, we can use 4111 to 4191 until 4191. Minimum 10 IC we can use 4191, 4111 to 4191. Inside all IC we can use like 4141, 4152, 4181, 4191. Every IC we can use in this circuit. So if you want the circuit diagram, go and visit the comment link. Now I am using this voltage. This is the negative voltage, black one. Here, this is you can see. This is the negative. This is positive. Negative. This is positive. Be careful about this connection. This is the negative wire. This is the negative wire. And this is the positive wire. This is the positive wire. And it's the ground. It's a ground. Now I am going to check using the speaker. Where is my speaker? I am going to check the voltage first. Where is my meter? Okay. Is the ground white one. The red one is 24.9, negative 24.9 voltage, positive 24.9 voltage. In speaker output, this one is speaker output, no voltage output, this is no voltage output. That means the amplifier is okay. If voltage output, then the amplifier IC is short. Now I am going to check the audio using my teeny speaker. This is the ground voltage for the speaker, the black one. It's the ground voltage for the speaker, and the red one is the output. This is the output. And plug out first. Okay, now I'm plugging ready. This one input. I am touching input is working. That means speaker is circuit is okay. Left side also working. That means the circuit is okay. Right side also okay. Both sides are working well. Both sides are also working. Now I am going to use the input. This is input ground for the input, and this left and right side. Again, I am telling that if you want this is the input, right side input, this is the left side input, this left side input. Now it's working. This side has maybe some problem, no problem. My input wire maybe problem. Input socket, it's working slowly, very slow. Why it's slow? Because this is the input. This right side is making sound but small. I don't know why. I have to check the circuit. What is the problem? Maybe resistance input is making sound but very small. But when I touch, it's working well. That means maybe my input input is wrong. Input wire got problem. Input wire got problem. The circuit is okay. Okay, now I am going to use this circuit to the amplifier. Then we can find out the problem. Maybe it's okay. Maybe the input wire problem. It's STK4122. This is original IC. I think from on Sony Exit. Okay, thank you for watching. If you want any amplifier circuit diagram, STK amplifier, transistor amplifier, you can visit our blogging site. There has have the diagram, lots of diagram, transistor diagram, and also STK IC, lots of IC, TDA series. All diagram have. You can visit the link. Thank you.